Vibes of the African Diaspora, in proud partnership with ACTLCG, was the visionary investor behind the inaugural Global Business Trade Show held in Accra, Ghana in April 2025. Welcome to the inaugural Global Business Trade Show, a moment that marks not just the launch of a conference, but the rise of a movement.
It is both an honor and a homecoming for me to stand before you today in Accra, the historic heart of Africa, a land that speaks to the soul of every citizen of the Caribbean.
Now, this expo is not just an event. I believe this is actually a movement, one that is going to see the manifestation of a long-held vision, a vision of Africa and Caribbean standing shoulder to shoulder.
This historic event wasn't just a conference. It was a bold step forward in our mission to empower communities through financial independence, cultural pride, and international collaboration. Seeing it come to life was a dream realized, and the beginning of so much more. With representatives from the Republic of Ghana, the Bahamas, Barbados, and Jamaica, the trade show created a powerful space for connection, uniting leaders across governments, industries, and cultures to spark new trade pathways between nations of shared heritage. Agreements are being formed, partnerships are taking shape, and through it all, Vibes of the African Diaspora is preparing to launch a revolutionary wave of cultural tourism experiences that embody our core mission: to create a world where food, fashion, housing, and luxury are rooted in the brilliance of Africa, the Caribbean, and the global diaspora. We call it the VAD life, a lifestyle, a movement, a marketplace built for us, by us. So whether you're an investor, creator, traveler, or change maker, get ready. The Afro-Caribbean marketplace is here. Welcome to the VAD life.